Yeah, what is going on? So this is how to Hamster Kombat Airdrop. So the first step is to link your Tom wallet. Connect your Tom wallet to Hamster Kombat game. After that, you're gonna complete daily kiffers and combos. Participate in the daily kiffers by correctly entering the provided Morse code to earn additional in-game coins. Also claim daily combo cards. Significantly boost your earnings. Engage in daily kiffers by solving Morse codes. Claim daily combo cards to increase your earnings. Play mini games. Engage in 2 mini games to earn coins or receive a key for the day. Stay updated. You're gonna follow the Hamster Combat and airdrop alerts on the channels. Yeah, so you're gonna prepare for the airdrop. The Hamster Combat team has confirmed that the Hamster token will launch on the Open Network TON on September 26, 2024. The airdrop will be distributed to players based on their activity and engagement within the game. Stay tuned for the further updates on the allocation process and airdrop details. Additional tips: the Hamster Combat team has indicated the plans for airdrop 60% of the time. Hamster tokens apply to early players of the game, translating 60 billion tokens being shared among millions of participants. Game's innovative approach to its airdrop rewards players for diverse activities within the game, ensuring that all types of players from casual to hardcore have the opportunity to earn tokens. Stay updated on the latest strategies and features to be key to optimizing your token earnings as the game continues to evolve and expand. And yeah, that's everything to know.